probably a mess, but
look,
it's been blown a gale.
Everyone there is a mess because, quite frankly,
It's blown a hoolie.
It's blown a hoolie out there. Hi everybody, welcome to Big OGGIE World. Welcome, darling.
Hello.
Welcome to Cocktail Corner. Today we've just popped out to the shops and it is well, a gale.
I think we've got a big storm coming in tomorrow.
Yeah, it's got a funny name, but I can't remember what it's called.
Begins with B.
Hopefully it'll begin and end with me in this house keeping safe, actually. So we're going to knock together a little slightly warming cocktails, like they say, but it's pretty much all spirit, which is why. Now, the reason we're doing this is twofold. I popped to Waitrose the other day.
You did?
No, not that I always go to Waitrose all the time.
No, well, your golf was cancelled.
I was passing by, yeah. So I picked up the free magazine because I've got the card. And if you got a Waitrose card, you can get a free magazine. Always worth getting. You can also get a cup of tea or a coffee. I think they still do that.
Can, yeah.
And in this, there was a cocktail. The cocktail is called the Roku Orchard Martinez.
Ooh.
Okay. Well, a Martinez, as far as I know, is a bit different to this. So they've obviously revamped it in their own way for using this particular gin.
Right.
So a Martinez quite often gets like a cherry liqueur in it as well, and some bitters, but we're not going to do that. We're going to follow the one on here, just for something different. So, yeah, made from the same company. It's a blossom gin. It's a Japanese blossom gin, and it's got yuzu in it, green tea, and a couple of other things. Should be very nice. And blossom, cherry blossom. Yeah, cherry blossom. So, to make this, you get a mixing glass.
We don't have one then.
Pint glass would do. Not everyone's got a mixing glass, only particularly if you're really into cocktails, you have a mixing glass. And we're not really into cocktails, are we, love?
No, we only do them once a week.
Okay, in the glass, you take some pear, because this is quite an autumnal recipe.
Yeah.
Fresh pear. Fresh pear slices. We've already sliced ours up, but fresh pears, we got them.
Yeah.
Into that, pour 1 glass. You put 40 mils of the gin.
So this is for 1, or is it for 2?
Well, it's for 1, but so we'd double it up for 80 because we're making 2. But ideally, if it was 1 glass, it'd be 40. I will say I love the different bottles that are coming out now for gins and rums and vodkas. You could collect the bottles, couldn't you? I mean, I used to collect miniatures when I was a kid. I could collect larger versions
bottle,
now. Yeah.
It's like an ombre.
An ombre, that's very nice. Yeah,
Because
like those shirts that come
Yeah,
through.
look,
Yeah,
it's sort of
yeah.
blue into pink.
Now, it's pretty much all alcohol, this. There's nothing to water it down.
No.
So, again, it's equal quantities, I believe. I will just check. Yeah, equal quantities of red vermouth to go with the gin.
Another 80.
Another 80, yeah. We're doing 40 per glass.
Well, we hope.
We hope.
We've got our little Nicky Nora glasses. There's quite.
We'll discuss that in a second. So, 3 slices of fresh pear per glass. So obviously we're doing 6 slices of fresh pear. Right, now our gin and our red vermouth has been in the fridge.
Yeah.
Getting cold already.
A little, right?
Now, you get a muddler. This is the muddler, or a hefty spoon or whatever, and you smash the living daylights out of the fruit.
It's good to get like softer pears, but at the minute
we're struggling to get soft pears at the moment.
well, they're ripe.
But even the ones that say they're ripe are quite hard, aren't they?
But they are.
So it's basically to try and get some more of the fresh fruit flavour into it. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's muddled.
Okay. So now you need to get yourself some ice.
Right.
I will leave you to go and get the ice. You know where it is.
Is it just like how much ice you want to put in?
It's just some ice now to chill the drink. Yeah. So the ice won't stay in it very long.
I'll put 4 in.
Yeah, 4 is fine. And a twist of lemon. A twist of lemon? Yes, we have. A little bit of lemon peel. Give it a twist to release some of the oils. It's a bit like the Queen's cocktail we did with the Dubonnet and the gin,
that was
isn't it?
gin with Dubonnet. I like that one.
You like that one a lot, that's why I thought you liked this. Now, you're going to stir that for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to put it into these rather beautiful glasses. We've had these glasses in the fridge now to chill, sorry, in the freezer to chill up. These are stunning. These are Nick and Nora glasses. We just bought these. Are you going to ask me the question, love?
What's a Nick and Nora glass, John?
What's a Nick and Nora glass? Well, originally they are called Nick and Nora because of a film in the 1930s called The Thin Man. And the two people in it, Nick and Nora,
were the main characters.
Were the main characters. I think they're called Nick and Nora Charles, I remember rightly. This is a classic 1930s style kind of prohibition martini glass.
Yeah, because look how tiny it is.
Well, but then it's all alcohol, there's nothing else in this.
Yeah, the only thing that worries me is there looks like quite a lot in here and there's little diddy glasses.
That's fine. So, if you remember the martini glass we normally use, the triangular one.
Yeah, they're big.
A lot of people say they're a bit unstable.
Yeah.
They kind of slosh your drink around a lot, especially when you put too much in them. So this is what these come from originally. These are the original martini glasses. Very cool, aren't they? Aren't they very sweet?
Pretty. There's just a little bit of condensation in there.
That'll soon go. So, pour it into there, all done. That's the lot, stir it. And then stick it with a little sieve. Sieve it all out, yeah?
Can we come back for this? So I can do this over the sink, because I don't want to make a mess.
You can do. We'll come back, we'll show you a picture in a minute. Right then, darling, so this is an autumnal version of a Martinez with pear juice. So,
You've got to have your pinky out now.
oh, I haven't put your pinky out. Can't do that. Right. And speak with a 1930s English accent.
Oh, I'm not really sure how you do that.
Certainly not like that. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers, darling. Bottoms up. This is probably quite potent.
It smells peary.
Oh, it's nice though.
Oh, that is nice.
Nice, isn't it?
God, that gin is smooth.
Good, isn't it?
There's no like.
No edge to it.
No.
And you get that kind of floral note because of it.
That is delicious.
Japanese Blossom Gin. We actually just bought the gin in Sainsbury's on offer.
Yeah, there's if
The
you
deal on right now.
if you use a Sainsbury's Nectar card, they've got quite a lot of good deals on this week.
Yeah, but that's lovely. I
That
think it
really
might be
is
nice,
nice.
that one. So it's a little bit floral. You get the citrusy notes because of the citrus stuff in the gin itself.
Yeah.
Because the yuzu is a bit of a grapefruity kind of lemon.
I can't believe that is pure alcohol and that there's not like a sharp sort of take your breath
Yeah.
away edge to it at all. It's so
Another
smooth.
thing I did read about the film, which ended up being also a TV series or some kind of serials of different films.
Right.
That the two main characters in it, husband and wife, I believe, quite fast talking detectives.
Yeah.
Okay, and they used to get for about 5 or 6 of these a night, which is why everyone was saying why they were quite a small glass, which is lucky because that's all pure alcohol.
They're very pretty glasses though.
Nick and Nora glasses.
Yeah.
Have a look at them. See if we can find them online.
Oh.
Good, isn't it? So, there's a new little autumnal recipe for you.
Yeah.
If you don't have the Japanese gin, that's fine. Just get yourself some pears, some best gin you can get. Some red vermouth.
Yeah, don't use flavoured gin though, just like normal
No.
London type gin.
Yeah. And some red vermouth.
Everyone's got a bit
Lemon.
of Cinzano floating around.
Everyone's got some Cinzano or Martini lying around. Give it a try. It's very nice. I would think a couple of these and you'll probably be falling over, love, but that's only because of the medication you're on.
But
Honest.
you can tell that it's a warming one
Hmm.
because although it's cold, and I like it because it's cold, it does have that warming
Got a little
feeling
bit,
in your
hasn't it?
belly.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Try it, guys. Give it a go.
Please
This is
subscribe,
a good one.
everybody. Please hit the notification bell. Come and join Kelly and I on Big OGGIE World and me on Big OGGIE Golf.
See you all again
Here we
soon.
go. See you all soon.
Cute.
Mm.
Do you know, I reckon that you could probably turn that into a jelly.
You probably could.
That would be a delicious dessert.
Yeah, you can
If
load
you
of
put some gelatin in it
gelatin in it, yeah.
to sort of make it into a jelly, that would be really nice.
Be banging.
You could even put some tiny cubes of pear in it,
You could.
but that would be like a really
You're
posh.
getting like
Pudding.
Michelin star puddings
But it
now,
would
aren't
though,
you?
wouldn't it?
Yeah, you could, yeah.
Like a little squirt of cream on the top or something.
Oh, so you ruined it by going a little spit can of squirty cream then,
No,
didn't you?
not the squirty cream, but a little, what the hell do you call them? Not a squirt.
Swirl.
Like a rosette.
Rosette.
Like a little
yeah,
rosette,
a little rosette like
cream
you do
on top.
on potato.
Yeah, that would be really nice.
Bye everybody. Yes, I left the camera on.
You always try and catch me out.
And I always do.
You generally do.